let's just say Dean Wilson's world tour has been very, very good for him, winning the Brazilian Arenacross title for a second year in a row, and this one being in, how you want to say, dramatic fashion. He came into the weekend with the points lead, and that was subsequently very well cut after Lopes, who was in second place, won the Super Pole race to take his lead down to 1 point, and then also won the first race and took over the championship lead from Dean. And, well, in the final race, Lopes and Wilson collided, and you can see in this video, or in the video that's going to be shown, they just come together. It's a typical crash, whatever you want to call it, not the biggest thing in the world, and you can see it right there. Come together, they both get up quickly, nobody's under anybody else, and looks perfectly fine. It's a championship kind of collision, nothing super mean or anything, but then right here, bam. You can see Wilson hit somebody who had fallen in front of him, immediate smoke, and oil is pouring out the bottom of his engine because it actually put a hole in his engine. Like, think about that. You're riding around the racetrack and, fighting for a championship. Oil is pouring out of your bike. They pulled him into the pit just to add oil to it. I mean, you can't fix it, so it's just kind of a stopgap. And he actually ended up winning race 2, or not winning. He ended up in 5th, which was enough points to secure the overall championship, with Lopes, who finished in 10th. And on his Instagram, he says, quote, "Brazilian champion, vamos. What a wild night of racing. You couldn't even script it. The first main of the night, I had a mechanical problem, so the championship went down to the last main. Me and Enzo collide and crash. We pick up our bikes to get going, and then I land on someone's bike, put a hole in my engine. I worked my way up to second. Team tells me to pull into the mechanics area because I need oil, so I pull in to get some oil to go back out. Bike starts blowing up on the last lap. I limped it to the finish line for the championship. It's been a rough summer, so I'm stoked to win this, even though Enzo was riding incredible. Thank you, Brazil. Thank you, bunch of sponsors, da da da. Like I said, he also won the title in 2024, and this just shows you, like, I've always been a fan of Dean Wilson. I think he's an incredible talent. I think he's, an incredible personality. He had a ton of problems with injuries, which sucks. But this just shows you how incredible, like, the guys who race Supercross in America are. He goes to, a different country and he's winning championships, winning races, dominating weekends. And over here, he's a 10th to 15th guy. And that's nothing against him. That just says the talent that we have over here racing Supercross is incredible. It is, though. Congrats to Dean Wilson. I think he's an incredible talent. And it's awesome to see him continue doing what he likes and doing it well and winning. I mean, he's also he's won the British Arenacross Championship since he's been doing this. It's just gotta say he's having the time of his life. It looks like, winning championships, and congrats to him. Granted, I'm gonna say this: I don't watch the Brazilian Arenacross Championship because I don't even know where you would start to watch it. I just follow this on Instagram, and happy for him. Congrats, and I don't know. That's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for SMX? Are you excited for whatever it is? Supercross next season, maybe. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things you can in this platform because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.